trust the President, Professor Samina Ghazali, past President, Professor Wajahat Aziz, President-elect Professor Ahmed Saeed, Treasurer Professor Abdul Naseem, and Joint Secretary Bilal Azim Bhatt to come on the stage and take their chairs, please. I have kindly requested Dr. Zafarullah to take the minutes, so I really appreciate your help, Zafar. Thank you for agreeing to help with this. Because there is time limitation and time is short, so we'll kick off and start with the agenda. I'll do it without my part. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. So, as you all know, the agenda is, we thought that we probably should introduce ourselves, so I'll start with myself. Those mics are working okay? The mics are working okay. We need some mics over here, please. So my name is Dr. Sulaiman Khan, and I'm a consultant rheumatologist currently working in Kulsum International Hospital, part-time Monday and Tuesday, and then the rest of the week I'm in Peshawar. And I'm the General Secretary of ESR. So I would like to start with the introduction, please, so everyone will introduce, although we know each other, but this is just as a sort of like you're getting this habit so that if someone is new, they can be familiar with the rest of the people and everyone.